Welcome back to Airdrie Public Library Digital Programming. Today we are going to make a particularly cool piece of paper with some strange properties. So this hexagon is made up of triangles, and everyone knows that triangles have three sides to them. Well, so does this piece of paper. It's got a red side, a blue side, as well as a yellow side, and a blue side. Well, how does that happen? This is called a hexaflexagon, and we can make one with some paper, scissors, glue, and tape. So the first step is to cut out a long piece of paper, and we're going to have to fold this into equilateral triangles. So we just kind of fold it over, hold it up to the light, and hope that we get each side of the triangle has to be the same size. So if we fold it over again, we can kind of hold it up to the light and see how triangular our triangles are. So once we have our first triangle made, we then have to fold it so that it alternates in hills and valleys. So this one folds in, so that's going to be a valley, so this one has to fold out in order to be a hill. And from there I can keep on going, trying to line up these folds as perfectly as possible. You can really test how well your skills at making an equilateral triangle are during this, because the more even it is, the easier it will be to line up these lines and have everything stay the same. So we're going to keep on folding this until we have 9 or 10 triangles. You'll need 10 triangles if you're doing it with glue. You'll only need 9 if you have tape. I find glue works just a little bit better, it looks a bit nicer, so I'm going to make 10 triangles. I'm just folding this over top of the last one each time so that we keep that pattern of hill, valley, hill, valley. Don't be afraid to fix your triangles after you've made them. You can see it's a little bit off here. That means my first triangle wasn't exactly perfect, but that's okay. We have a little bit of room for error. Alright, so when you unfold it, it should kind of twist a little bit if you have your hills and valleys right. Let's count your triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. So I can cut off the final triangle and just leave me with this strip of paper divided into 10 triangles. So next step is we have to fold it into this hexagon shape. So it'll naturally kind of want to twist, and you can go with that. So we're going to fold it up, going to fold it back again, and this last one is a valley, so we're going to want to fold it over top. We should have 3 sort of flappy bits here. I'm going to line up this last one as best I can, and then put some glue on it. I just want to glue this last triangle to the top of it. I don't want to glue the bottom one down. That will ruin our hexaflexagon. Alright, so now that we have that glued together, we can test it. We can see which way this naturally wants to fold, and we can fold it into these 3 divisions here. And if we did it right, it should be able to open up from the center. And we can keep on doing that. fold it in, open it up from the center. We want to make sure that when we're folding it in, it folds in with these valleys and out with the hills. If we try and force it the other way, it just won't work. See, I immediately wanted to go back to folding the valleys down. And now that we have that, we can color on it. I can put a secret message inside the center of this. Fold it in and back out the other way, and no one will even know what it's supposed to mean. You can do all kinds of things with this, make like a blooming flower or something. I want to see what kind of designs you guys can come up with. Alright, thanks for watching and tune in next time. Secret message.